Happy day, students. Today we are going to deal with grammar, sentence pattern. Dear students, what do you mean by pattern? See, in a saree or in your dress, we have some certain designs. They are known as pattern. The same way, understand the types of sentences. SV, SVO, SV, IO, DO, SVC, like that, etc. And how they are framed. For this, we should be familiar with the parts of speech. So, we should remember at least one sentence in each type, then only it will be easy for you to write in your examination. Now we shall see the definition. The arrangement of words in a sentence is called sentence pattern. Sentences are formed with the following components. What are the components? First one, subject. So you know any sentence has two divisions, that is subject, predicate. So first part is the head part is subject. So the person or thing who does the action in the sentence is the subject of the sentence. It may be a noun or a pronoun. Okay. For example, Ram studies well. So which is the subject? Ram. And you see next, Priya plays games well. So Priya is the subject. Coming to the next component, secondly it is verb. The word that indicates an action done by the subject or expresses a state of being or shows possession is called the verb. So you know it is an action word. So example, she went home, which is verb went. And you see Kannan is a doctor, is be verb. Then I have a sister, have. Okay. Coming to the third component, object. Object is the result of the verb. Okay, it may be direct object, that is DO, or indirect object IO. Example, my uncle gave me a present. Understand children? Here my uncle gave a present. Okay, what did uncle give? What did my uncle give? Present. So it is direct object. When you ask the question what, it is direct object. Okay. Direct objects will be always things. Now coming to next, you see my uncle gave me a present. First question we will ask what was given. Second only we will ask who gave. So to whom did my uncle give a present? Gave me. So it is indirect object. So indirect object will be always human beings and direct object will be always things. Okay. Coming to the fourth component, complement. You see the spelling COMPLE. PLE means it is helping for completing a sentence. So complement comes to complete the meaning of the subject or object. So be clear. See the example. Solomon was wise. So mostly be verbs will be followed by this. Okay, complement. He became the leader. So we see in the first two sentences subject complement. Okay, subject complement means the wise talks about Solomon, leader talks about he. So subject and the complement you see. Then you see the next one. They elected him leader. Experience makes one wiser. The chill weather made them shiver. So you see here, this is object complement. So they subject, elected verb, him object, leader is complement, object complement, talking about the object him. Experience makes one wiser. So talking about one, that is the object, and wiser is complement for this object. The chill weather made them shiver. So shiver is object complement. Okay, coming to the final component, that is adjunct. Adjunct is actually adverb. Okay, an adjunct is a word or group of words which provides answer to the questions how, when or where. In some cases why also. Example, they came by bus. You ask the question how they came? They came by bus. She went to Chennai. Where? She went to Chennai. So this to Chennai is adjunct. She went itself will give complete sense. So adjunct is only an addition. Even if it is not there also, it will make sense in a sentence. I shall meet you tomorrow. So tomorrow is the next day, timing. So when. You speak English well. How do you speak? You speak English well. So well is what? Adjunct here. Okay. But when you see all is well means it talks about subject. So that is subject complement. Okay. All is well. It is not adjunct. Don't think adjunct is only an addition in a sentence. Without that also the sentence will be complete. Dear students, you must know there are 5 basic patterns. So first we will see. The first pattern is SV pattern. So birds fly. First one you see birds subject, fly verb. Second one they are playing. So they subject, are playing verb. Third one my uncle with his family. It becomes subject. Okay, together. Now arrived, that is verb in the past tense. Fourth one you see she has been working. She alone is subject, has been working is verb. Fifth one you see I will see. So I is subject, will see is verb. Now the second pattern is SVC. That means subject, verb, complement. First one is he is my friend. My friend refers to he. No. So SVC. Subject is he, verb is, my friend is complement. Second one you see she grew tired. It tells her nature. No. So it is talking about she only. So she subject, grew verb, tired see. Complement. Third one we will become old. See we only will become old. No. So we refers to that old, that nature. So we subject, will become verb, old is complement. So fourth one they are good. They subject, are verb, and good is complement. Fifth one some boys are smart. So smart is the nature of some boys. Okay, some boys subject, are verb, and smart is complement. So complement comes to complete the sentence, and usually it may be referring to a job, okay, or a characteristic. Okay. Now moving on to the third basic pattern, that is SVO. So they played cricket. Subject, verb, object. Second one she sings a song. So subject, verb, object, a song. Third one we bought a house. Subject, verb, object. Fourth one my grandma told a story. So you ask the question what, you get the answer. Okay, what or who, then only it is object. Fifth one he has committed a mistake. So he subject, has committed verb, a mistake. So to identify the object ask 2 questions. Okay, first one what and second one whom. If you get the answer to these questions only, then only in this sentence that is the object. Now coming to the fourth basic pattern, SVOC, subject, verb, object, complement. So first sentence you see, we called the man fool. We subject, called verb, the man, object, object, complement. Fool refers to the man, that is the object. So object, complement. Second one, they painted the house white. Okay, they subject, painted, we, the house, object. What color they painted? That is white. It refers to the house, no? So it is complement. Third one you see the boys made him mad. So you can understand. Fourth one we selected Subramani, our class leader. So Subramani object, our class leader is complement, helping to complete the sentence. And fifth one you see they named the child Shalu. Okay, Shalu is the name of the child. So it is object, complement. So here we see both the object and the complement are the same. So only we say it as object complement. The complement completes the meaning of the object. So it is otherwise called as object complement. Let's move on to the fifth basic pattern, that is SVIO-DO. IO means indirect object, DO means direct object. First sentence you see my parents presented me a gift. So my parents subject, presented verb, IO is me, that is indirect object me. A gift is direct object. What did my parents present? A gift. Second one, my mother told us a story. Third one, our class teacher taught us English grammar. So our class teacher is subject, taught verb. What did she teach? English grammar is direct object and indirect object is us. Fourth sentence, I sent him a letter. So I is subject, sent verb, him indirect object and direct object is a letter. Fifth one, my uncle gifted me a pen. My uncle subject, gifted verb, me indirect object, a pen direct object. So to identify the object, you must ask two questions to the subject. Okay, what and whom. If you get answer to the question what, it is direct object. Already I said direct objects will be always things. Okay, so example, what is given. If you get answer to the question whom, it is IO, that is indirect object, to whom the present is given. So here without direct object the sentence is incomplete. Before we see the other patterns, let me tell about the complements. Complements will always be followed by be verbs, that is am, is, are, was, were. Apart from that, if you find the word look, seem, appear, turn, turns, okay, then complements will be there. Okay, now coming to the other patterns. SVA, he walks fast. So you ask the question how. So adjunct, he walks fast. He is subject, walks verb, fast adjunct. They will come soon. Okay, it's telling the timing. The school reopens in June. When? So it is SVA. Coming to the next pattern, you see SVOA. We are learning English grammar now. So we subject, are learning verb, English grammar object, timing now, adjunct. I bought this laptop in Bangalore. Where did I buy? You ask the question where, you get the answer. So it is adjunct, in Bangalore. They won the match easily. How did they win the match? Easily. So it is adjunct. Coming to the third one, you see SVOAA. I bought this watch in Madurai yesterday. So you have two things, you have two adjuncts, that is where, then when. So I bought, I subject, bought verb, this watch object, A, that is in Madurai, where, then yesterday is when, adjunct. Okay. Second one, you see I will meet you tomorrow at the station. So first adjunct tomorrow shows the timing, at the station shows where. She draws pictures easily. So she draws pictures easily on the wall. She subject, draws verb, pictures object, easily. How does she draw? Easily. Where? On the wall. So two adjuncts are there. Now coming to the next pattern, SVOCA. They made him captain last month. So they subject, made verb, him object, and you know captain is object complement. And when did they make him captain? Last month. So it is adjunct. We called him a fool openly. How did they call? Openly. So object complement, a fool is complement, and we have a, openly. They elected Mohan the secretary on Friday. When did they elect Mohan? On Friday. So it is adjunct, and the secretary is object complement, telling about the object Mohan. Now coming to the next, SVCA. I am hungry now. I subject, am verb, hungry is complement, because I told you now only am. Okay, be verbs are there means it will be followed by complements. Now refers to the timing, so adjunct. The milk turned sour. So here turned verb, it talks about, sour is talking about the milk, so it is complement, soon, timing. This train is late always. Always, often, all will come under adjunct. Moving on to the next pattern, SVIODOA. See here, just you have to change it SVIODOE. He gave me some money last month. So he subject, gave verb, me is indirect object, some money is direct object, last month is adjunct. Our teacher teaches us grammar openly. So our teacher subject, teacher's verb, us indirect object, grammar direct object, openly is adjunct. My uncle sent me a gift, okay, on Friday. My uncle subject, sent verb, me object, me indirect object, and a gift is direct object. When on Friday, that is adjunct. Coming to the next pattern, ASVO. Often, that is adjunct comes in the front. Often, always, okay. Often he meets me. So he is subject, meets verb, and me object. Yesterday, timing, no? So adjunct. Murali bought a pen. Murali subject, bought verb, a pen object. Every morning, that is A. Then subject, I read the Bible. Every morning I read the Bible. So subject is I, verb read, then object is the Bible. Dear students, hope you have understood up to these patterns, and we shall continue in the next. It's time. So we shall continue in the next class. Thank you.